Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where your mouse is not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, before anything else, try checking if the issue is with the hardware. Change the battery of your mouse if it's a battery operated mouse. If it a Bluetooth operated mouse, try changing the section to which it is connected. For example, if it is connected using a USB dongle, change it the USB slot. Some new mouse systems have this 2.4G network and other networks, so make sure that you're at the correct network and try connecting it to a different computer to isolate whether the case is with the mouse or with your system. Now, once this is sorted, the next solution will be to search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for mice and other pointing devices. If it is detected, then update its drivers. Okay. And if it's not detected at all, then right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to Bluetooth and devices and select devices. It shows all devices here. Your mouse may be connected using a 2.4G receiver, which is absolutely normal. It won't show the mouse, it will show the 2.4G receiver. But if that doesn't show either, then you will have to verify the connections. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.